The height of this is the only mistake. Okay, kanara. Let's have another one, kani. Kakuha mo, dili mo diretso. Ako man yung na-demo. In fact, pag last, niingon ko nga sayop ko kay na diretso na ko. Okay? So, let's have another one. This case is somewhat different because the setup is not like that. But that's still okay. So based on that here as the ML, this may have a different scenario. I hope dili na siya ma-repeat next plate ha. Na mistake. Okay, you don't have to be sorry. That's part of your journey, man. That's part of the process. Important, if you keep on repeating this many times, then you should be sorry. Okay, another, again, mixture of unit. So based on the setup, the stopping point from elevation is this, which is different angle. So let's see. Sayop siya, sayop ni ihapod kang tanja kay wala siya mo gamit sa measuring line. I don't know anong nabot siya dere. Anong nabot ka dere? What was you thinking when? What were you thinking time? Anong dere ka? Or na-overlook lang na? So anyway, I'll correct this one. So from elevation, you should stop at ML, which in this case kani. The same process. You have to find the actual location. So in this case, you have this. Balik-balik na siya. Anything na nasa likod, you have to locate its actual height. So sakto ba? Kana, and then the second one, this one. So ang height should be this. Again, if you check that on the other side, kani nga scenario niya, lahigsan. You have to run, okay? Ano ni siya? Imo, basahan ninyo, inigran ninyo diri sa akuan. Like, this one is the first. Sunod diri, sunod ana. Pero, there's a way to make that travel shorter. Project that one here, para di na ka magtuyok-tuyok. We will do that. And find that, but in pencil, find that line para dali ra ka maabot. So gikan dere diretso na ko. Wait, wala ko makuha ang kuan. Kana vertical. So this point is this point actually. Now, let's see if pag-abot basta na sila. Okay, at pang-ibot ang sa likod. Okay, so this point here is this. Let's check if meet ba. Ay gamay clearance. So, mag-abot siya. So, the actual height will be here. Then, mag-terminate na siya dire. And that's become your real height. Tanang man siguro ninyo, murag mo na nasipyatan. Let's check on this one. Kani. So, from here, which is kani ang ML, find this location, So, I'm traveling on the left. So, kani akong gipangita. Kumauni. Then, transfer it. Tayo gamay. So, diyan man kaagi ani pagkuha sa height. Diyan sa nimi mo. Di na ko matrace. Like from here, sa imo ang reference point. Okay. If we will follow kani mo ni ML niya, and then we will follow this location, Tarong isa diri oh. Kanin eh. Wait kanin. So, may error gamay sa height. Okay. So, kani, let's check on this. Is direct raman ni sa in kana. Sakto ra na. Tanaw ninyo. Kamo tanan nasayop dire.
Yes, sir.
I hope na kayo ma-discover mas isa lang. Basta na kayo masakto dire nga usa or anybody. Yes, mo. Basing ko ang tanang sayop. Asa mo station na. So that's it. I hope in the next plate, dili na siya ma-repeat. Okay, so your plate number 3 has been posted. Okay na, pwede na